Go.
Austin and Sam blind.
My boy.
Go. Start from anywhere?
Yeah, it starts from second ribbon.
Oh shit. That was the fastest I've ever gone over this, dude. Did you see it?
Clean. That was clean. I thought you were gapping it for sure, but you just
the speed, yeah.
tripled it.
I did not mean to go in that fast.
Even if I get last, I get pulled. Good luck, dude.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. All right, boys. We got this. Stay front. Stay front.
That's it, brother.
Take the shit.
See y'all at the finish line. Yes, sir.
All right, here we go, folks. First heat's heading off. Riders ready? Go.
All right, first heat's off.
Get it. Yeah, buddy. Fuck. You got it, you got it. Oh fuck, sorry.
Get it, get it.
Yeah, Gary! That was wild. Yeah, Gare!
Woo! Nice job, Gary. Ah, I tried!
I know!
Ah!
Oh, brother! Good shit.
Hey, you win some, you lose some, dog.
Yeah, Jackson!
Strawberry goes down. Oh my God! Full sentence.
My man, my man. Reaver, Go. Hell yeah. Trick off to the race. Woo! Yeah! Give him the trick off going early.
Black jersey. Nico in a black helmet, white jersey. Austin in a black helmet, blue jersey.
Got the
Alright, is course ready, Sebastian?
Austin.
Alright, riders ready?
Qualify for this?
Go.
Between Nico, Austin, and Sam. Sam flying down the mountain. Oh, he goes off course. Austin with the lead. Josh Ledford right behind him. Sam trying to get his feet back in the bindings. Here we go. Josh Ledford trying to make the catch and go. Austin so good.
Go. Fuck. Damn! Holy shit! You good?
Yeah, I feel fucking horrible. You alright?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm sorry. Coming down the mountain, I got air. Like that was the first time.
Yeah, right.
And then trying to get back on. My binding was like, I was like trying to get in.
Yeah. It's the first time I've bailed on the Monster like that. Just totally offline.
You look so good out there.
We were literally like 4 wide going into it. I didn't know what to do.
Where are the? Oh shit.
Yeah.